Hey guys, today I introduce an imaginable deliciousness, Teriyaki Karaage Burger! Do you love teriyaki and karaage? Have you ever tried a burger that combines these two iconic Japanese flavors? Today, I've created the ultimate burger that combines them both, so be sure to give it a try! I would like to introduce another amazing burger next week. So I would be delighted if you could subscribe this channel and rate it. So let's make it together! Let's introduce ingredients. Buns, sliced cheese, garlic, cabbage leaves, eggs, chicken, flour, sugar, soy sauce, Mirin, and sake. With these ingredients, let's make the best Teriyaki Karaage Burger! First, let's prepare the karaage. Start by removing any excess fat and tendons from the chicken. This will ensure a better texture when eating. Then slice the chicken diagonally to ensure even thickness and better cooking. Cut it in half to fit the size of the buns. Since we are making burgers, it's better to keep the karaage in one large pieces. To ensure the flavor of karaage, let's marinate it. Place the chicken in the freezer bag. Add grounded garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sake to the bag. Massage the chicken well to ensure the marinade covers all parts and remove any air from the bag. Marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavor to penetrate the chicken. Next, cut the cabbage into slices. While waiting, soak it in the water to keep it fresh. Now let's prepare the buns. Toasting the buns is essential. Spread the butter on the frying pan and toast the buns over medium heat. Rotate or adjust the heat periodically to ensure even toasting. Wow, the cut sides are perfect toasted! Finally, let's make the teriyaki sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sugar to the bowl. And mix well. Next, prepare the frying pan and heat it over medium-low heat. Add the teriyaki sauce mixture while stirring. At first, the sauce may be thin due to excess liquid, but as it simmers, it will thicken into a glossy teriyaki sauce. Since teriyaki sauce tends to burn easily, it's important to simmer it slowly while stirring with a leather spatula. Once it reaches a thick consistency, it's ready! Next, let's prepare the sunny side up eggs. Heat oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Crack the eggs and cook them gently. Do you prefer your egg yolk runny or firm? This time I'll show you both methods. For a runny yolk, simply cook the egg until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny. It's very easy. Keep cooking until the bottom is lightly browned, about 4 minutes. Look at that, a perfectly running side-up eggs. Pour a firm yolk, add a little water to the frying pan, and cover it with a lid to steam the egg. Keep the heat low during this process. After cooking for about 2 minutes, you'll have a sunny side-up egg with a firm yolk. Finally, let's make the karaage, removing the marinated chicken from the bag, trying to drain off excess liquid. Then, coat the chicken pieces from the wheat flour. Make sure each piece is evenly coated with the flour. Once coated, it's ready! Next, add the oil to a pot. The oil level should be enough to submerge about half of the chicken pieces. Heat the oil to 170 degrees, where small bubbles form around the wooden chopstick inserted into the oil. Carefully add the chicken pieces to the hot oil. When frying, place the skin side down first. Fry without moving for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip the chicken pieces and fry the other side. After another 3 minutes or so, the karaage should be perfectly golden brown. Then, remove them from the oil. Place them on the pieces of kitchen paper to drain excess oil. Now all the ingredients are ready. It's time to assemble everything. Start by placing the cabbage on the bottom bun, followed by slicing cheese, then the karaage. Next, add a teriyaki sauce. Finally, top it off with the sunny side up eggs and cover it with the top bun. And voila! The incredibly Teriyaki Karaage Burger is complete! Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Now let's begin! Look at this massive, flavorful burger! Oh, you can't help but serve it! The combination of karaage and teriyaki sauce is amazing! And the sunny side up eggs add a mild touch to this perfect burger. It's irresistible! You absolutely must make and try this! And don't forget to subscribe this channel for the next burger cooking! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.